Wow. Hot money is already at 64,000 pesos. Okay. Today's round is another practice round. I don't know yet my challenge. Most likely I'll try to break 80. I'm playing with friends. Morning, Jong. Morning, brother.
Morning, Luigi.
Morning, brother.
Morning.
Hi, Wena. Good morning. Hindi ko pa alam ano challenge natin. And with Monks. Morning, brother. Yeah. Okay. Most likely, magsiskin siguro kami mamaya ni Jong. Ay, tama nila Jong. And may pating Olympics. So, kailangan mo bumawi. Medyo pangit mga last few rounds. Hopefully, I can play well this morning. So, alright. See you in the fairways. Nilayo na ulit nila yung tee. It's around 5 AM. 5:30. Dog leg left. May water sa harap and may bunker. Hitting A4 iron.
Oh, kanan!
Ugly for shot. Kabig, pumama sa puno, nasa kaliwa. Okay, punch out. Subok doon. Sikip.
Peace out.
Alam ko na kung anong aking goal for today. My goal for today is to prepare for my tournament in the next 2 days. So the tournament is in Forest Hills. I haven't played there. I think I played there once. So we'll treat this practice round for that tournament. So subukan kung kunwari tournament mode. Let's see how it will reflect for the next 2 days. Kasi nga, yun nga may tournament. So let's see. Play safe. 190. So pwede na. Para safe naman, ano? 100. It says here 190, but it's just playing 170. Hitting a 7 iron. Okay, ayaw makinig kay Weng. I hit a 6 iron, so I think I went over the green. At least I was able to hit it crisp. Okay, I think ang lalaroin namin ngayon, stroke play kami nila Monks. So confirmed, kami nila Monks, we will be playing stroke play. So I need to know my handicap and see. I'm not sure if si Jong is joining us. Pero we're playing Olympics. Me, Jong, and Monks. So pating Olympics kami. So basically ang pating Olympics, when everyone's already on the green, whoever's the furthest gets the most points if you make the putt. So kung tatlo kami, 3 points if you're the furthest and you make the putt. Tapos yung next na furthest would have 2 points, that's 1 point. So you only get points if you make the first putt. So yun, so magpapating Olympics. So I'm sure meron tong karga. I'm not sure how much. Mura lang naman, pero it makes it more fun and more challenging. So wish us luck. Jong trying to secure. Sinisecure a 1 point ni Jong. This is my putt for par. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 paces for my par. It looks like right to left. I guess this is for par and also for 3 points. So 8 paces right to left. Huh? Gano'n kalaki sa kanan tingin mo? May kalahating grip? Ang mga kalahati. Halos isang grip. Jong for 1 point. One point kagad ah. Good strategy, brother. Low stinger. I am 1 over 420 yards. Handicap 1. Dog leg lift. Hitting a driver.
Diretso. Lakas nun sana. Diba? Solid eh. Whoop!
Okay. Pulled my tee shot. Dito lang tayo mag-play safe ano. Sa may bridge. Okay. Take my medicine. Mga tirang 30? Hindi, dito na lang ano. Baka dito na lang. No? Mas dito safe na lang. Mga 30, 40.
30.
Mouse 4 ah. Wena, ang Amazona, laging nasa puno, ang player mo. At least nasa bogey pa rin natin kanina. Buti pumatong. 160, playing 160 yards. Pin is blue, no? Nasa likod.
Cute.
I was able to get it on 3, but at a very long putt for par. Tsaka ang layo rin ito for 3 points. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 paces paakyat. Ang bagal ano? Right to left. Hina pa rin. Nilabas ko. Nilagyan ko na 178. Ano ito? 6? 7.
7. Clip. Nag-bounce pabalik. Nag-bounce pabalik.
Wala na 20 yards to. Mga 10 na lang yan eh, no? 10 yards. Right to left.
Birdie!
Ilang points yan? 3, 4? 4 points? Pasok din!
Galing!
1 point for Monks. With that birdie, I am 2 over, tapos 4 points. Jong for 1 point. Uy. Okay. Safe for dog leg left. Wala akong idea.
Gitna, sir.
Gitna? 80 yards to the flag. I need to aim right. Bye! Sobre yata.
Right.
Mukha siyang right to left. Pero damo, left to right. Left to right ba yan?
Opo.
Dahil sa damo, ano? Ah, okay. Halos isang cup. Mabilis ano? Regular. Jong for 3 points. For 3 points. Good putt. Mongs for birdie and 2 points. Bigay mo?
Kaliwa po.
Saan sa kaliwa? Sa'yo na nga ako makikinig eh.
Sagot mo ba?
Sige. 2 points. Mahina. Take it, brother. Good par. Tayo for par and 1. Bogey.
Sorry.
Hindi. Ako ba? Hindi naman nakita ko. Okay. No points for everyone.
Bakit ko pa nila yan?
100. Oo nga, no, tama.
Balik. Pero ang inaano nila is yun nga yung followers mo tsaka yung
Hole number 5. I hit a 50 degree wedge. So just a recap in terms of Olympics. 4 points ako because of the hole out. 1 point si Jong at saka 1 point si Mongs. I am currently 3 over. Unfortunate bogey dito sa hole number 4. I have a birdie putt dito sa hole number 5. So hopefully mabawasan natin ang score.
Yung putol ulit, sir. Kaliwa.
Yung puto sa
Kaliwa.
sa mas malayo.
Kaliwa pa ng konti mo.
wow, ganun pala yun.
Di bumali.
Kasi.
Abusado naman, nakachamba lang ng shoot kanina. Gusto shoot lahat. For 3 points ka, Mongs. 3 points ka. 2 o to. 1 si ano no? Tama? Ha? Right inside?
Opo.
Oh, lakas na. May conviction ang kanyang opo. Mongs for Sandy Par. Sandy Par and for 3 points. Take it, brother. Hindi mali, eh? 2 points. 2 points. Par. Eh, 1 ka eh, di ba? Galing ka sa labas. So, 6. 6-2-1. 6-2-1. Okay. Para lang pag... 6-2-1. Okay, dog leg left. Andun yung P. Draw. Draw. Nag-draw pero kulang. Ramdam kung ano open. 104 yards. Pero baka sumabit dito. So I'm going to try a low. Ganda naman nun, Mongs. Pang Olympics pa rin ah. A low. Pang Olympics ah. Nasa labas lang ah. Low pitch shot na 56. Mababa rin ano. Ako rin nga, susubok lang din ako eh. 56. Magkatabi. Pwede 50 pala, angat pa rin. At pang Olympics, short. Kaliwa wena. Pasok pa!
Pasok mo!
Pangalawa na yun ah. Good shot. Isang grip sa kaliwa. Sabi mga putol ulit ng liyo. Ay, mali. Dapat di ko na pinag.
Stop! Fuck Mado ba yun, Wina?
Jong for 3 points. And big. Sino mas malayo sa atin?
Dahil ba si Jong?
Di, pero 3 points na siya. Sa atin.
Tayo?
Sunod na sir. Yes, ng kanan po.
Sukatin mo nga ng flag, Wena, please.
Tayo. Kami daw.
Kayo mas malayo. Monks for 2 points. And also for par. 2 points. Nice spot. Uy! Sayang, bogey pa. Ha? Wow! Galit na galit. Galit na galit. Recap. 6. Luigi 6 points. Jong 2? 3?
3 na rin ako.
3 na rin si 3 daw si Mongs. 3 din si Jong. Okay. 6-3-3.
Ay, patay din.
Sorry. Favor, please. Thank you, brother. Ayun, sumabit.
Si Tata ba yan? Ay, hindi. Akala ko tinama mo si Tata.
Ako si Tata eh. Nice shot.
Thank you. Finally, fairway.
Ba ako nag-drive? Binti sa akin.
Playing 125 yards. Kasi front pin. Aim a little left to Wena, di ba? Anong papaluin natin? 50? O pitching? Parang pwedeng 50 na lang eh.
Wala na si Batman.
Oh, ikaw naman si Batman. Ikaw bahala ah.
Di ba ba di Wonder Woman?
Wonder Woman. Bahala na si Wonder Woman.
Kick right.
Kick right.
Ka dyan.
My second shot went depth of the green. So I'm chipping for birdie. Kaliwa, no? Gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa, Wena?
Brief lang sir, kanila.
Kalahating brief. Doon sa may maliit na dahon na yun sa loob. Okay. Mabilis ba to?
Opo.
Uy, ganda niyan.
Break! Hindi bumali. Hindi rin bumali eh. So si Mongs ang 3? 3 points ka? 4-3 ba? Ano tayo? 4-3-2? 3-2-1, di ba?
Yes.
Wow! Grabe sa 2 points! Ang lupet! Ano ka na? 5? 6, 5. So si Mongs for 3 points. To tie. I have this for par. Grabe naman tumato. 6 ka na rin. No? Ako for 1 point. Anong bigay mo dito, Wena?
Right edge po.
Right edge.
Plus 1.
2. So 1.7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 5.
Mabul na tayo.
Mongs, ilang ka? 6. 6 points.
Ikaw?
Jong, ikaw? 5. 7. Na-shoot ko yung pat. 7, 6, 5. Okay. See, 8 hole. I'm still 4 over. 160 yards. Nakatago yung pin. I'm playing 8 iron according to Wonder Woman. Tama ba, Wonder Woman?
Yes sir.
Where is it? All in one?
Boom!
Oh my.
Mga pang-Olympics, oh, nasa labas talaga sila lahat. Oh.
Uy, may chance.
Wow! Wow! Huwag mo na i-shoot! Pangalawa na yan ah! 1 point. So, 6 ka na, Jong, no? Good chip, brother. 6 paces uphill. Right inside, ano?
Opo.
For 3 points. Lakas. What? Oh, ay.
Sa dulo bumalik.
Nice putt. Good putt, brother.
Bogey save.
7.66, so I'm still leading on 1 point. And I'm currently 4 over. Hole number 9.
Saka lang.
Huwag kang papasok. Huwag kang...
Ay!
Layo. 300 yards. Second shot. Going with a 3-wood.
Gulo mo.
Third shot, I am still 57 yards to the pin. Left to right. Hitting a 60 degree. Tapos tirang 50. Mga gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa to, Wen? Wengder Woman. Yung puno lang. Yung puno doon sa likod din sa kaliwa. Okay.
Ay, naku, patay ka.
My third shot, short of the green. Left to right, mabagal. Paakyat. Mga gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa. Tapos mabilis na dun pababa, ano? Yung 20. Tirang Gs. Labas lang yung linya.
Opo.
Okay, Mongs for 3 points. Jong for 2. I have this for 1 point for par. For 3 points. Short! Take it, brother. Ito, Jong for 2 points. Lakas. Right inside. According to Wengder Woman. Ay! May line. Wala sa firm. Nice putt. Just a recap sa aming front 9. I'm currently 5 over. May +2 sa akin. Total si Monks. So we're playing even now sa back 9. So then for Jong, I'm giving him also a +9. So meron pa siyang 1 stroke sa akin dito sa back 9. Then for our Olympics, I'm still leading by 1 point. 766. Okay, so starting the back 9. Playing 140 yards. Hitting a pitching wedge. Okay. Kanan. Then left bunker. Ah, ito kaliwa, Wena. Pala bunker pa na-practice natin. 10 paces for par. This is for 3 points. Jong is for 2. Ay, sorry. Mongs is for 2 points. Tapos si Jong 1 point. Lakas na. Kaliwa, kanan? Ha?
Kanan.
Right to left?
Sangkap sa kanan.
Sangkap.
Pakyat.
One.
Opo.
Lakas din. Uy. Take it, brother. Mother, father. Ang bigay mo muna na.
Left center po.
One.
Left center na.
Two. Parang sa akin.
Dami. Left center. Trinit double bogey. I am now 7 over. Hole number 11. We'll see. I'll try to go for it. Okay, putting Olympics. I am still 7 points. Jong is 7 points. Mongs is 6. Bye. Bumagsak. JUR.
Uy! Sayang kumaliwanag.
And bumalik siya sa fairway. I still have 70 yards to the pin. Bye! Bye! With the wind. So, is for birdie and 3 points. Sino 2 points sa inyo? Jong. Tapos si Mongs is for 1 point. So right to left. 8 paces. Firm lang to na 8. Kanan ano? Sina!
Take it.
Jong for 2 points. That's good. Ano ka, Jong? Par? Bogey? Mongs for a triple tie at 7 points. Ah, yung hina. Bogey rin? Bogey. Hole number 12, playing 146 yards.
Sir, dito sir.
Huh? Ah, okay. I might hit a 9 iron. 140 yards. I'm hitting a, according to Weng the Woman, pitching wedge daw, which I agree. Okay. Points sa Olympics, 7 points ako, 7 points si Jong, Mongs with 6. Tapos bogey sila, ako mid par. Ganda.
Balik.
Sige pa, turn pa. Wow, good shot, brother. Ay! Pinapos lang ko konti.
Ano yan? Nebe? Pitching.
Pinapos? Sayang. Compressed.
Pa-fade lang.
Ay, sama na sipa. Sayang, short. So, kaliwa to na, no?
Kanan. Doblang.
Ah, right to left yan?
Opo.
Okay. Sa loob lang. Wow! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 paces. Right to left. This is for 3 points. Ay,
Right inside lang po, sir.
right inside. 7.
Regular cut lang.
Regular na 7. Ako 3. Si Jong 2. Si Mongs 1. Okay. Right inside. 4 par to stay 7 over. Jong for 2 points and a par. Natuktok. Take it. Bogey?
Bird, par.
Ah, par. For birdie pala yan, sorry. Good par. We are all tied at 7 points. 7. Number 13, first of the 3 par 5s. Olympic status. Recap. Olympic. Jong is 7 points. Mongs is 7 points. I am 7 points. Yun! Kapalan ko ang aking mukha. Bahala na si Wengder Woman. I will try to go for it. 260 yards with a 3-wood. Okay. 3-wood? 260. Bahala. Layo. Okay.
Aroy. Kaliwa. Papatong mo talaga yun, sir?
Malayo pala talaga. The hero shot did not happen. Mama sa puno. So I need to punch out ito. Mga 30 ulit, wena na. Around 53 yards to the pin. Left to right. So tirang mga 45.
Tina, papasok yan.
Okay. 3 points ka, Mongs? 2 ako, no? Ako mas malayo? 3? 5. Okay, for par and for 3 points to break the lead. Ay, the tayo pala break the lead. Kaliwa, no? +1. Yun. Sulit ang practice. Thank you, brother. For 1 point. Galing mong pat ah. Lahat 1 pat ah. Lahat may points ah. Good pat, brother. Ano ka? Par?
Bogey.
Bogey. So, 10, 9, 8. Oh, dikit yung butas na yung sa points ah. Lahat naka 1 pat ah. Okay. Good pat, brother. So, we are currently 10, 9, 8. 10 ako. 10 ako. 9 ikaw. 8 si Jong. Lahat tayo naka-points sa butas na yun. Okay. Hole 14, par 5. Dog leg right. Wow!
Wow, yun.
Grabe. Layo niyan. Nice shot, brother. Nagalit na Mr. Manzano.
Ang baba ng flight niya.
Oh, ano no? Pato.
Bang! Safe naman. Carry ka yung bunker.
Sana. Ano ko kaya? Pa ang umaga. Play safe lang tayo dyan sa my water tank. Tama naman, mga 160 pwede na. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
Layo sa bangka
Hindi
rin, sir.
naman, no?
Nasa
Left of the fairway. Playing 80 yards. Front pin. Kaliwa ba ito, Wena? Kanan ng konti. 80. Sobrang kanan.
bye.
Thank you. Pasok. 4 points mo. Okay, 1 point ulit. So I have this for 3 points and birdie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. This is birdie and 3 points. Tapos si Mongs for 2 points. Mauna na tayo. Ang bigay mo, Wena?
Right edge po.
Right edge lang. Paakyat.
Regular food lang, sir.
Firm lang na 7. Dadagdagan ko yung size. Hindi bumali. Sobra din ang bigay. Kumana din kagad eh.
Nagdagan mo, sir?
Ha?
Nagdagan mo?
Hindi. Nagsimula rin siya sa kanan. Kaya lang. For par ka rin? For bird. Nice bird. Bird and 2. Good putt, brother.
Thank you, brother.
So, ikaw yung 9, di ba? Tama, so ikaw na up. 11, 10, 8. Ay, wait, 1 point din pala siya. 11, 10, 9. Okay. Si Jong is currently, tama, 9? 9 points. From 8, no? 9. So, Jong is 9. I'm 10. Monks is 11 points.
Oh, lamang na naman si Monks.
Hole number 15, the last par 5 for the round. 441 yards. I am still 8 over.
Oh my God.
Wow! Wow! Yung best shot na nakita ko dito.
Tatampo siya, hindi naman kita papalitan. Kukunin ko lang yung mas mabata mong kapatid. Maba. One of my better drives today. I am left with 100, playing 156 yards to the flag. Back pin. Kaliwayan ng konti, di ba? Playing 8 iron na, no? Uphill yan eh, di ba? Lagi tayong short. 8 na. According to Winged Woman, 9 iron. Sobrang kaliwa lang.
Over, oh. Over daw.
Over? Ang ganda yung tama. Ubutin lang si Winged Woman. Hindi naman pwedeng pitching wedge dun.
Matulog kasi sa rambong.
Natsak maganda rin yung kuha eh. Okay. 28 yards to the flag. Sobrang laki daw dyan sa bolang in. Okay. So pwedeng tirahin. Mabilis yan.
Opo.
Pabaitin.
Loob lang ng bola, ha?
Ay. Bilis talaga. Pating birdie. For 3 points. Kaliwa ano? Sa may linya. Sobra yun. Sa loob lang ng linya. Okay. for 3 points. Si Monks for 1. Okay.
Nice. Take.
Kulang din. Nilaro ng butterfly.
Paru-paro G.
Paru-paro G. Olympic update. Monks still leading. 11 points. I am 10 points. Jong. Number 16. 100. Actually, it's just playing 100 yards. Front pin. I am still 8 over. Ay, sa isa.
Kulingon mo na. Direksyon. Lang.
Yan na. Ay, puta ko maliwa. Sir, letrang da. The home of the man.
Sa puno pa. Gamit ang bagong 58. Grabe yung bite. Wengder woman.
Guhit, sir.
Go ahead. Left to right. Mabilis. Almost for 3 points and a birdie. To go 14 points. Ay, bumali. Good par, brother. Jong for birdie also for 2 points to tie with Monks for the tie. Uy, take it, good par. Make tayo win. Pareha silang par. Pwedeng hati-hati sa kaliwa. Tie kami ni Monks 11 points. Tapos si Jong 9 ka pa rin, ano? 9, tama. Tie na tayo, Monks 11. Ba, sakto si golf pad. Playing 167 yards. Front pin. Aim a little left. Let's go for the 65,000 pesos. Hitting an 8 iron. Kumanan. Naku. Safe mo lang. To the flag. Medyo mahirap ang ating situation. It's either sa baba pero naka front pin. So, hindi mo mapipigil. So we will experiment and try to flop or hit it doon para mag-stop agad. Bahala na si Wonder Woman. Wengder Woman pala, Wengder Woman. Tirang 30. Hindi naman flop na flop. Kaliwa ba yan?
Opo, maliit lang. Right.
Kaliwa lang, pero okay na. Hindi sumabit. Is patong. Chance for par. Ang galing ni Wengder Woman magdasal. Okay, over lang ng green. Buti kumagat. I have that far, but one point. Ay, mahina. Okay. Basang-basa po talaga. Binabasa talaga ni Weng the Woman. Akala niya for birdie. But I need this par putt to either 3 or 2 points. Depende dito sa tira ni Joe. If he's inside me, I'm 2 points. Okay. I am 3 points. Jong is 2. Putting for par. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Left inside.
Left inside. Siguro sa kanan kagad yung putt. Jong for 2 points. Reyes, 2 points! Ay, sayang. Okay. I am 11 points. Jong, ilan ka? 9 ba 10? 9. Ah, must make ka pala dapat doon. Para tatay tayo. Okay, so leading pa rin si Mongs. 12. 12, 11, 9. Okay. Last hole. 12 points si Mongs.
Plus 19 ako eh, so 1 over ako.
Sa stroke.
Sa stroke.
Stroke play. Pero sa Olympics lamang si Mongs 12. 11 ako, 9. Sa stroke play, 9 over ako ngayon.
Ako, ano na, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 na.
12. Ako 9 over.
9 ka.
Oh, lamang nga ako sa'yo ng ano. Alam mo ba kung ilang ka na, Jong? Sa back?
Ako, 1 over.
11 ako. Oh, 1 over.
1 sa back?
1 over
1
ako
over
ngayon.
lang din.
Kasi
Total.
19 over, 19 over ako eh, 18
Ikaw?
handicap.
May plus
Hindi, pag walang plus, ilang over ka na?
sa back.
7, isa lahat.
3. Ah, no, total 9.
9. Eh, anong handicap mo?
9.
O di even ka.
Ah.
Plus 1 kami. So 1 stroke going to the last hole.
Dito?
Oo. Even ka sa handicap.
total,
Plus
oo.
handicap. Kami plus 1, plus 1. Gets? Pag i-minus yung gross ngayon sa handicap natin, kasi plus 19 siya.
Oo.
Ako
Ilan ka na ba
10.
ngayon?
Plus 19.
Eh, 18 siya.
18.
Kaya
Ah,
ako 10. Ay, 11 ako kasi 10.9, diba?
oo.
Eh, 12 over. 11. Ikaw 9.
9.
Even.
So, kailangan-
1 stroke lahat.
Dito. One stroke lahat. Kailangan.
Sino leading?
Birdie.
Si Luigi.
Oo. Puta ko, hindi ko na double to. Ako pala dapat.
Wala ko, last shot.
Ay,
Last
ikaw pala
hole.
dapat. Sumalaban.
First layup.
Sabi ko nga eh, parang
Laban lahat.
Oo nga.
kanina, parang leading ako.
Hindi ka pala. Nananahimik ka.
Ay nako, sobra. May gulong eh.
Ingatan, inilalayan.
Di ba kasi games ka na double dyan?
Oh, dalawa sunod na ako over dito. Oy, over oh.
Hindi, picking na lang yun. Sinigurado ko nga eh. Kasi baka gumulong eh. Second shot playing 120 yards. Hitting a 50 degree. Need to land it left off the flag. Kaliwa pa rin.
Get right.
Huwag ka lang bangka. Short? Jong is putting for par. Mongs is putting for birdie. I am chipping for birdie. Left to right, ano? Mabilis. Saan ang aim? Diyan, ano? Okay. Diyan din ang bagsak. Wala lang. Laki na binigay ko.
Kailangan muna natin.
Oh, man,
Tapos sa...
Catch yan, Widge. For par din si Jong eh. Diretso na, no?
Oh, dyan ang buwang.
O left inside lang ang inside. Pagdaanan ko to, puta magkaka-loko-loko na eh.
Talagang basang-basa si Weng. Weng, sa'yo nakasalalay. Ang init. Sino mas malayo sa atin, Joe?
Ikaw.
Ako? So ako 2 points.
Teka, tingnan mo kuya. Sino
I-
malayo siya, no?
For Olympics, Monks for birdie and for 3 points. Wala na kaming panalo kung ma-shoot niya to. For birdie! Ah! May chance, may chance. Okay. Kaliwa. Isang bola? Isang butas pa. Regular lang. No? Hindi kailangan firm. Okay.
Wala!
Yan ba yun?
Ako,
Ano may line?
bogey na siya eh.
Ako, pasok mo para tayo.
For 2 points. Clutch jeans. Good putt, brother. 2 points.
2
So parang 12 si Jong, ay si Mongs. 11-11 tayo.
Tapos naka ano pa ako, point pa
2
ako
point.
sa Olympics.
11. Parang panalo ka sa points ng Olympics ng 12, 11-11 kami.
Plus one.
Good round, brother.
Tayo lahat.
Tayo lang. Okay. 20 pesos. 20 pesos kami parehas for Olympics. Good round, brother. Okay, just a recap. Most won 20 pesos from myself and also from Jong. Kasi 12 siya, 11-11 kami. Then for the stroke play, we were all even with all the pluses. So I had to make my par putt to win, or si Monks her birdie putt to win earlier. So wala, tayo kaming lahat, no winner. So I'm 10 over, Monks was 12 over, tapos si Jong was 18 over. So sakto lahat ng plus. Good round.